That's perfect. I'm all set to buy. Why does it have to move against me? You manipulated me. No, just you know that the market moving against you is really normal. Yes, I bet that your mentor or guru told you that the market moved against you because your strategy didn't work. It's not entirely true. Every market has designated market makers. They play on the both sides, which are long buying and short selling. They will present with a quote. The quote comes with bid and ask prices. If ask price wins, then their bid price will move toward to ask price, and they can flip and sell it at ask price. Bid price wins, their ask price will move toward to bid price, and they can buy back their short position. It's how they make money from the spread. Here's an easy way to beat market makers by holding your position longer. That is why most day traders lose money. Market makers have access to low latency. It means they can execute trades much faster than people can. They will execute first before you do, which means they can move the market price against you. So by holding your position, you give the market price a time to move in your favor.